exploring the flavors of our past, the rich tapestry of food heritage. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that combines culture, history, and the delicious world of food. We're talking about food heritage. This is a term that's packed with flavors, memories, and traditions, and by the end of this video, you'll have a hearty understanding of what it means and why it matters. So, let's get started. Food heritage refers to the foods and culinary practices that are passed down through generations within a culture. It's not just about recipes. It's about the methods of preparation, the significance of the foods in cultural rituals, and the agricultural practices that produce them. This heritage is a reflection of a community's history, environment, and values. It's about the connection between people, their food, and their land. When we talk about the ingredients of food heritage, we're looking at several key components. These include traditional crops, the types of fruits, vegetables, and grains that are indigenous or have been cultivated for generations in a region. Cooking techniques, the unique ways in which food is prepared, which can range from fermentation to stone grinding. Eating habits, how and when meals are consumed, which often reflect the pace of life and social structures of a society. Culinary stories, every dish tells a story. These narratives are rich with insights into the struggles, triumphs, and evolutions of a culture. Preserving food heritage is crucial for several reasons. Cultural identity. Food is a source of pride and a means of expressing cultural identity. Biodiversity. Traditional crops are often more adapted to local environments, promoting biodiversity. Sustainable practices. Many traditional agricultural and cooking methods are sustainable, with lessons for modern practices. Nutritional value. Heirloom varieties and traditional dishes often contain a wide range of nutrients important for health. Unfortunately, food heritage faces threats from globalization. The spread of fast food chains and a globalized food market can overshadow local cuisines. Climate change. Changing weather patterns can impact the growth of traditional crops. Urbanization. As populations move to cities, there's a loss of traditional farming and cooking knowledge. There are many ways to celebrate and revitalize food heritage. Food festivals, events that showcase traditional dishes and cooking techniques. Cooking classes, learning how to prepare traditional dishes keeps culinary practices alive. Supporting local farmers. Buying from local farmers helps preserve traditional crops and methods. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey through the world of food heritage. It's a topic that nourishes both the body and the soul, connecting us to our roots and to each other. I hope this video inspires you to explore and cherish the culinary traditions in your own life. Until next time, happy eating and learning.